inherited from other stuff for the people.
So what does it mean if I just have one hiccup?
That means that allergies access known to people that allergies go wrong for the rest of their days. So that means that allergies are sick from because you gotta go to the doctor. And I'm the hippie doctor, and you better go to it because I'm here and I'm the doctor, and I even have a horse, and it brings me to everywhere. So it brings me to the hospital, and you could be there, and I put hippie these on for kids and people and.
So basically what you're saying is that since I only had one hiccup, that I have hiccup allergies?
Mm-hmm.
And how do I fix it? What do I have to do?
It only provides one doctor, however, and you go to the doctor to me, and I will be there and do my stuff for you. And you get allergies, not pain, so you only go there to rest this day. So
do I have to take medicine?
Yeah.
Or do I need to get a shot?
Yeah. It's this tiny.
But I only had one hiccup. It's not like I hiccup all the time.
Well, you keep doing hiccups, one hiccup at a time, and you keep doing hiccups, like hiccup, and it goes on a long time. Watch. Hiccup, like that.
Oh.
So
do you have hiccup allergies too?
No, you have.
Just me?
Mhm. I don't hiccup all the time.
Well, I don't hiccup all the time.
I just get a lot of hiccups when I do something. When I say something, it starts to hiccup in a long time.
And then you get a whole bunch of them?
Mhm.
And when I get the hiccups, I only get one.
Mhm. So that means you're apology rapper trained because that little car it makes no sense for it. So I know that makes a promise that I know because this is not going to have a payment. So I know it lasts for the other people, and they don't know that I'm with apology that I don't keep my residence. And they don't keep my residence to people that I keep, so they don't make me allergies for other people. So it kind of makes me like stuck in the allergy poster.
An allergy poster?
Mm-hmm.
And what is that?
It's the thing that you keep with the other people, and you go to the front door, and when I sleep, it makes me like standing right by an allergy poster.
Oh, okay.
So it makes the recipe make more sensitive. So it kills a thing for it. Not referee, so it always states one promise that it only a promise that it only keeps. So it finds a place for the other one, and the day was not sleep for the rest of theirs, and the other one go sneaking around, and they sleep. And the other guy sleep, and he didn't know he was gone forever. So that means I got there, and they know it was me because I was hair. They know my eyelids because they don't have any eyelids. And these, they know that was me because I'm a cowgirl and they're a cowboy. And they know I have hair. And
this is all because of my hiccup allergies?
No.
Oh, okay.
In the sun.
Oh,
So
okay.
I don't have a